सिर्फ जमाखोरी और कालाबाजारी के और कुछ मुट्ठी भर पूंजीपतियों की इसमें फायदा होगा। ये सर 2015 साल में मैं इनको याद दिलाते हैं कि दाल की खरीद फरोख्त में इस तरीके की घोटाला हुआ था। 2015 साल में सर 2.5 लाख करोड़ की दाल घोटाला ये जीती जागता सबूत है, जहां 45 रुपया किलो दाल आयात कर 200 रुपया किलो तक बेचा गया था।
मान्य
सर,
सदस्य,
साथ
जब बिल पे डिटेल चर्चा हो, जब आप बोलना।
सर एक मिनट सर, ये इसमें जो लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस की बात है सर, देखिए ये हमारा कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म पर एक प्रहार है सर, क्योंकि देयर कुड आल्सो बी सम स्टेट्स where the meanness of hoarding is so rampant that the state government may wish to regulate and place tax limit. Hence, respecting the principle of federalism, the amendment must apply only if the state government by notification applies the amendment act in that state. तो सर हमारे संघीय ढांचा को मद्देनजर ये बिल जिस तरीके से पेश हो जा रहा है, मैं इनका विरोध करता हूं सर।
श्री गौरव गोगोई जी।
Sir, thank you, Honorable Speaker. First, with regard to the legislative competence of the bill. Sir, the Essential Commodities Act, the state government could regulate the prices by fixing them in situation of a price rise. This bill deregulates certain commodities, thus depriving the state governments of this control. This deprivation of this essential responsibility comes without any consultation with states. This impingement on state powers without any consultation renders the bill ultra-vires. Secondly, sir, this bill is extremely subjective. The bill does not define extraordinary circumstances under which the government may regulate. It also does not define the two situations of 100% increase in retail price of horticulture produce and 50% increase in retail price of non-perishable agricultural food when a stock price may be imposed. This creates room for arbitrary and subjective interpretation. Additionally, the lack of a stock limit allows corporates and traders with capacity and resources to hoard the commodities. Hoarding of these commodities will allow them to manipulate the market. Shortage of supply created by such hoarding will have two adverse consequences. Firstly, it will cause the prices to exorbitantly increase. Therefore, I request that this bill should not be introduced.
Shri Sogat Rai ji.
72(1). I oppose the introduction of the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020. I have given a statutory resolution against the ordinance, which will be taken up later. Sir, I want to mention that this is an example of coercive